winter bike setup. It's very much winter in the UK now, and this is the setup I run as a road bike for the winter. Differences between this and the summer bike. Number one, the tyres. 35mm tyres with some tread on them. Then the full length mud guards. Big advantage to you and to anyone following you. Keep you so much drier from road spray, and obviously you don't leave massive roof details of water spraying in the face of the person behind you. What else? Component wise, just hard wearing. 9-speed Dior, nothing fancy. It's actually a mountain bike rear derailleur. Basic drivetrain, but reliable. And then you've got your luggage. And the reason for so much luggage and these bigger storage compartments is things like rain jackets, but not just that. When your hands are freezing cold, accessing things from a saddlebag can be a bit of a nightmare when you can't feel your fingertips, so these bags are really easy access. Then lights, just put them on at the start of winter and leave them on. They're always there if you need them. And then disc brakes make a big difference. This is a cable disc brake setup, one of the better ones. They're not as good as hydraulic brakes, but they perform better in the wet than rim brakes by far. And that's more or less it really. That's the winter bike setup for winter in the UK.